Samsung users, there are settings and features the developers don't want you to know exist. So come closer, let me show you how to locate and activate these settings and features.
Open your phone gallery and come down to menu tab down below here and click on it. Locate setting tab, click on it as well. To open this way, just scroll up to about gallery, click on it. It will open to this interface. Allow it to load this way. Come to this version number and click on it multiple times repeatedly like this until Gallery Lab is enabled this way. Click on the return button here to return to the next window and then scroll up to review the Gallery Labs. Click on that very Gallery Labs. Here you will see series of options that you can selectively choose from. Okay, something like go to studio. This one have it enabled. It will enable you to edit your videos in a Samsung editing app, not going to CapCut and all this, and it is very sweet. Now you can as well scroll up and then toggle this one, save file as a PDF, so that videos, text message, you can easily save it as PDF without using a third party. There are many other options, just play around it. Now to activate the safe mode, you can easily toggle this one on as well. All of them has the series of functions individually to contribute to make the use of your phone very sweet. Now just go and try it out, and if you find this very useful, do well to subscribe for more updates like this. See you in my next video.